Nung nalaman po natin itong insidenteng ito, agad po tayo nag-utos ng ating Inspection, Monitoring and Investigation Service o ating INIS para investigahan itong matter na ito. So that was 2 days ago. So I am expecting a report very soon. Apparently there's an initial report already submitted pero I haven't yet read it yet. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang investigasyon ng ating INIS dito.
Meron po bang site na ibinigay po yung suspect, sir?
I have yet to read the initial report, pero then again, there will still be a main report. Part ng mga naipasa sa akin, itong blotter excerpt na ito, among others, including an initial report. Pero hindi ko pa nababasa yung initial report na ito. At least dito, on record, ito ang laman ng blotter sa police station.
Sir, can you explain bakit acts of lasciviousness na hindi rape?
I cannot explain because if I were to view it differently, I think the better nomenclature is rape. So I'm not so sure why it is denominated as acts of lasciviousness because I think the law is clear. This is a clear rape case.
Sir, ano magiging estado ng pulis?
Rightfully so. Then he will be subject to admin proceedings na ngayon na po iniimbestigahan po ng ating INIS o NAPOL.
Sir, yung kung titingnan lang from a perspective na very basic, no, bakit importante na nadedetect na ipigilan at napaparusahan yung ganitong klaseng mga insidente sa ating institutions, no, academic institutions?
Una ko, hindi ko pwede talaga ang pulis ay involved po sa ganitong mga klaseng kaparaanan simply because they have the sworn duty to serve and protect the people. If our policemen are involved in these types of acts, then we have a very big problem. And secondly, this is the Philippine National Police Academy. This is the Police Academy. So wala ko talagang puwang ang ganitong klaseng mga actuations ng kung sino man sa loob ng PNPA. At dapat masawata po agad ito. At lalong urgent na panagutin ho natin ang mga opisyal na involved po sa mga insidente ganito.
Sir, ano status ngayon nung suspect natin? Is he still with PNPA? Is in holding? Or ano bang update sa kanya
He's
ngayon?
currently arrested per the initial report that I got, per the blotter excerpt that I got. He's now facing an administrative investigation by the National Police Commission. I am not sure if the PNP is also investigating, but for sure, the NAPOLCOM will not sit down and just watch. We will investigate.
Anong specific na position niya, sir, sa PNPA? Kung alam niyo, sir.
I think he's a police major. I'm not so sure if what his exact position is, but I think he's connected with the Public Information Office. I'm not